Hi everyone, this is Yulia. I'm going to use JavaScript to solve this task, and we need to complete the function that takes an unsigned 32-bit number and returns as a string representation of its IP address. So our input will looks like this. It's a 32-bit number, and we need to return IP address as a string. So my logic of my solution is that I'm going to take this number, convert it into the binary code, then I want to slice, and I will slice this binary string by 8 bits and keep it in my temporary array. Then I'm going to go through this temporary array and convert each element, which is 8 bits, to the decimal and push to my result array, and then I will return it as a string. So let's do this. First of all, I need to check if my int32 0 or not. If it's not, I will do all these steps that I mentioned before. If it's 0, I will return this IP address 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. If it's not a 0, I will declare my variables that I want to use. First of all, binary, which will store the binary code from this number. It's a string to string, and 2 in the parentheses. Then I want to declare binary array as empty array. It will be my temporary array and result array. Result, okay, and I'm going to use I is 8 for my while loop. So while I less than 40, I'm going to store in the current variable the binary dot slice I subtract 8 to I. So it means that first round it will take the bits from 0 to 8. The second round it will take bits from 8 to 16, and so on. And then I want to push this current to my temporary array, binary array current. Okay, and do not forget to increment your I. Okay, so then I'm going to go through this binary array for I equals 0, while I less than binary array dot length, okay, I plus plus. So while it's less than length of my array, I will convert every single element into the decimal. Parse int binary array I, right, and into the decimal. Okay, and then I want to push this into my result array, but I want to convert it into the string. Do string. Okay, so, and the last thing, I want to return this result as a string, right, and replace all commas in this string to dot. Okay, let's test it. As you can see, all tests passed, and also after I finished this challenge, I spent about 30 minutes to solve it. I found the way much more easier and not so complex. So it's like only 4-line solution, and I want to share it with you also. So let's reset this one. Okay, in this solution I just want to return I will return. Okay, and then this is a tricky part. I want to take the last 8 bits from my int32, right? So this operator just takes the bits from the number and from the right side, okay? And I want to convert into the decimal format. Okay, FF like this. And I want to also add the dot on the end of this number, right? Then I want to take the next 8 digits, right, from the end, 16, and also convert it to the decimal format and add the dot on the end. I want to take the third 8 digits from my int32, right, and format it into the decimal. Was that I was really surprised when I found this solution, but I'm very happy that I found it. It's like I learned something new from it. It's not like a regular challenge for me, so I'm happy. So, and that's it. Much easier, very easy to read. So let's test it. As you see, it's past 2. So thank you so much for your attention.